I'm Sarah Morgan. I am the co-founder and CSO of Isoform Oncology. We're developing new therapeutics to help cancer patients where there is no good current treatment for them. We're not talking about the first therapies you might give, but these are therapies when patients have maybe become resistant or have developed further in their cancer. We're focused on developing new antibody therapies, looking at forms of proteins which are specific to the cancer and which people really haven't worked with that much. The first treatment we're looking at is actually focused on both triple-negative breast cancer and bladder cancer. Isoform Oncology was actually formed in October 2024, and we actually moved into SBC in January 2025. But so the science behind it, really, we've been working on probably for about 20 years. There's 3 of us in the team, myself, my co-founder Lee Larkham, and our discovery biologist Isabella Garcia. Last year, we actually raised our pre-seed funding. So Zinc VC invested in us, and that was fantastic because that meant we could really properly start moving with the science. And so far we now have 2 targets that we're working on. We've got the prototype antibodies, we're working through those, about to start testing them in clinical samples. So we're actually at the point now where we've just started our next fundraise. I think really our ultimate goal is to get the therapies to the patients. There are patients who need them, we want to get them to them. It's been great being set within SBC because the opportunity to come in as a really small company, as I say, of just 3 of us, and be able to join the Lab Hotel and access all of the facilities that Lab Hotel has to offer has just been fantastic. It is the network and the support that we get. Because there are a number of small startups around, if you need a flask because your order hasn't arrived, you can often ask and somebody will have one there that you can borrow. And even just bits of advice. There's people who've worked in so many different things and have done so many different techniques that it's really nice to be able to have those conversations.